Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to show you some of the features of our Frontier Series bumper here. Let's check it out. So we now have a mesh pocket cover built into the bumper. It does hold 2 of the 3-inch pods, or you can mount a factory fog light right there with the mount that we provide. This bumper has sensor provisions that are plugged off. So if your factory bumper has sensors, it's going to use those sensor holes. You got airflow mesh right there for your intercooler. This bumper has a bull bar, protect the radiator just a little bit. Our D-ring mounts are machined with a nice smooth edge there for running a soft shackle. You can also run a big D-ring in that as well. And then this one, the winch model set up for the large platform winch, or the medium frame winches will mount here. The large frame will mount here with a bolt back here. And then our mounting system, this part mounts to the truck. Super easy to install this bumper. You'd mount these two brackets to the frame horn, and then you would these bolts would be removed. You'd slide the bumper onto those brackets, drop those bolts in, tighten it up once it's all adjusted. And so this is a Frontier winch bumper for the 2019 and up Dodge Ram, or rather the Ram 3500. These come black powder coat. Let's see, just trying to. So this bumper comes with a black powder coat finish. It's a textured finish, very resilient to scratches, impact resistant for rock chips and whatnot. That's a factory, or that's the standard finish that we offer on that. What else can I say? The license plate, for the states that require a front plate, the license plate will mount either on those 4 bolts or those 4 bolts. Once this bolt's dropped in, we have a cover that covers this hole, so it's all nice and clean when it's installed on the truck. And yeah, we'll maybe get some more, do another video once this is installed. So thanks for watching, thanks for checking us out.